We are Carl and Caddy. Together, we are Nowhere Bound Touring. We've been adventuring for over 2 years now around Australia in our truck and our caravan. Sharing our full-time life on the road, we take you to some interesting and unique locations, along with sharing tips and tricks of how to make caravan life that little bit easier. So if you're not already, make sure you hit subscribe.
This is a tight little track, well not that tight, but it's definitely a little track along the river to our camp. Hopefully it's a nice camp. That is really narrow.
Yeah.
That's a bit narrow.
I think we probably a bit narrow. I was just thinking, it looks like it's starting to clear out, and then look what we get. Whoa, that's a big dipper. Holy. The hitch thing. I don't think I like this angle at all, because
It's just on the side.
I feel like I'm going to fall out the window.
So you get closer to the ground that way.
Oh my gosh. Looks like a good looking camp. Lovely.
Let's have a look. We have found ourselves a nice little camp just a bit out of Emerald on the Mackenzie River. It's very secluded, no one except for us and the fish that keep jumping out of the river. We came here yesterday, hung out, fished, and I caught heaps of fish. But anyway, I might try again today. We're just cooking up ourselves some breakfast. Bacon and eggs on the barbie, gotta love that. And we will show you the nice little track into this campsite. It's a little sort of windy goat track, and we'll show you how we got here. Maybe she's a bit warm. This bacon, which was the crappy cooking bacon, is real bacon. And some parts are real thick too. But anyway, probably made from pigs imported from Italy or somewhere. Uh-oh, we got a runner. Oh, I'm having egg, bacon and aubergine sandwich. Catherine says, no way. But that's what I'm having.
I love eggplant, just not for breakfast.
Bit of salty bacon, eggplant. Oh, that's looking good, isn't it? Meat ant revenge.
Yum.
Carl's surprise bacon and egg is what I'm going to call it. Of course, you've got bacon, egg, aubergine. Let's do a taste test. Can't tell you what it tastes like because it was just bread. I'm going to wait till I get to the good stuff. Hot. Nice. See what you're missing out on?
No.
It's slightly moist, a little bit mushy. Goes nicely with the salt on the bacon.
You're such a wanker.
It's the truth. This is unadulterated sandwich. It's got nothing except for olive oil and the ingredients.
Good, eh? And maybe a couple of ants in there somewhere.
No, they're all over there.
Look at that.
I fed them because they looked hungry. You doing this?
Why? Because I thought I might get some bloopers.
There. Easy.
Love the bungee top.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
solar is still smashing it out. This morning I was looking at the solar. The sun hadn't even come up. It was all overcast and it was putting in 20 amps into the battery, which is unbelievable.
Anyone out there that does have a bungee top, I'd love to know if anyone has put different fans in. And if so, please comment below and let us know.
Yeah, we're going to replace the fans with a similar type, I'm thinking. We were thinking Siroccos originally, but we're just going to go the same type. But I'm going to look.
Someone's done Siroccos.
Oh, well, yeah. And I'm going to put a quieter version in, is my thought. For best value for money. Obviously, Siroccos will be the best, but at $300 each or whatever, you know, you're paying for it.
Yeah.
So, done. How good's that? This is our lazy way of doing it. Instead of climbing up the sides when the doors are open, we just walk around on the top.
Well, it's the only way I can because I can't reach the other way.
Vertically challenged. So that's that.
How deep does it go?
Deep, I'm guessing. There's no trees in the middle. It's all nice camping along here. Look at it.
Yeah.
That's what I said. And I went for a walk. It's just like along grass and like you could camp anywhere. Look.
Yeah. You think?
Maybe a bit.
I can't even see where the track continues. Wow, that's a massive tree. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.